Associate Professor, SAY School of Management. This is my video lecture on organizing, which comes under the principles of management. Organization, grouping of activities, assignment of activities to the different executive, delegation of authority, placing of the responsibility in place, making provision for effective coordination. There are a lot of benefits of organization. It facilitates management, provide growth, use of technological improvement, human use for human beings. Creativity is being the great importance of organization. Types of organization. There are formal, informal, open, or a closed organization. There are various theories of organization. They are classified as system theory, classical theory, and neoclassical. Organization structure. Organization as a structure is a particular system of arrangement, pattern of a network between various positions of an enterprise. Who are the directors, who are the vice president, who are the deputy general managers, who are the engineers, who are the workers and the supervisors as well. Types of organization. Machine bureaucracy, professional bureaucracy, forms of division of labor and simple forms. Organization has various attributes. First is it is a goal-oriented system. It is whole and sum of the parts in the system. The system is engaged in processing of input to output, which is known as production. Various components of the systems are interrelated and interdependent. They interact with each other at all the times. The system depends upon the environment and also acted on its environment. The environment has an effect on the organization vis-a-vis.